Vikings, get ready to fly.
Ready to fly, dude. Ready to fly,
Hey,
baby.
Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line their wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Maybe there will never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on, Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. Alright, now gather up all your axes.